Is 18 plus 18 divided by 6 equal to 6? This is from Reddit r/mathmemes, and we have the usual meme format. The first part of people said yes, and then the middle part of people said no, it's 21, and lastly, we have yes again. So what's going on? Let's talk about it. Firstly, if you just look at 18 plus 18 divided by 6 equal to 6 without the question mark, this is actually incorrect. So I'll show you guys the wrong way to do this first. So if you look at 18 plus 18, the slash means that we are dividing. And if you just go from left to right, if you add 18 and 18 together, you add them up, you get 36, and then you divide it by 6. That is equal to 6. So it looks like this is correct, but no, this is not, because this is the wrong order of operations. So don't do this. Don't do that. Well, the correct order of operation is this. This is the correct way. We are supposed to divide first before we add. So when we have 18 plus 18 divided by 6, remember the order of operations? I like to show you guys with the pyramid like this. We have 4 levels. The very last level is the addition or subtraction, and the level above it is multiplication or division. If you have an operation that's on a higher level, then you have to do that first. We divide first before we add or subtract. So 18 divided by 6, that goes first. You first keep the 18, and then you add 18 divided by 6 is 3, and then you add them up, you get 21. So of course, we are saying this is equal to 6. That's not correct. This is the correct way to do it. But how about the last part of people? How can they say yes though? Well, the quick answer for that is just we are playing around with the notation. That's all. So the last part, you are going to look at not just the 6, but rather 6 with the question mark. And the question mark right here actually means something. This right here is called a terminal. So what it does is the following. If you have 6 with a question mark, namely 6 terminal, you start with 6, and then you keep going down with the numbers, and you are going to add them up. So you do 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Once you reach 1, you stop. This right here, it's very similar to the exclamation mark version, namely the factorial. So recall that if you have 6 exclamation mark, this means the 6 factorial, and you will start with 6. You multiply with 5, and then 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. You get 720. 6 factorial, and this is the addition version of that, and this is called a terminal. Is this a real thing? Yes, according to the comment that I found on Stack Exchange, you can see that the author defined the question mark as the triangular number. And now if you add them up, 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, you will end up with 21. So if you take the whole thing right here, that's indeed equal to 21. So this is also correct. Now I'm going to show you guys my favorite way, Now I'm going to show you guys my favorite way of adding this up, and this is also going to explain why this is called a triangular number. First, for the 6, I will just draw 6 circles to represent the 6. Next, for the 5, I will do the same, and I will organize them like this. Continue with the 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. Just like this. Have a look. What did we just form? A triangle, isn't it? Yes. And now we have to think about a way to count how many circles do we have right here. If you have a triangle, it's not easy to count. So this is what we can do. I'm going to draw this again, but I'm going to rotate it and then put it on the bottom part of the triangle so that we can create a rectangle. So I'm going to put down 6 circles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I will put down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, and then 1. Have a look. Isn't it so much easier to count how many circles do we have altogether? Right here, we have 6 of them, and then right here, we have 7. So altogether, we have a total of 6 times 7. But in fact, we just want half of it, right? Because this is what we're trying to find. So we will divide it by 2. And that is a quick way of getting the 21. And here's the formula for it. N's triangular number, if you use this notation, again, this means n plus the next number, which is n minus 1, and then you continue plus n minus 2, and so on, so on, so on, up to 1, right? Once you finish that. This only works for positive whole numbers, so keep that in mind. And here's the formula. Have a look. Earlier was 6. You start with 6. So here we have n. We start with n. We are going to multiply by 1 more than this. 1 more than this, which is n plus 1. And the reason is because we just pretty much put this back here. So we have 1 plus the 6. That's how we got the 7. And remember, we divided by 2. And that's the formula to get the nth term of the nth triangular number.